guys, I'm Jasmine Destin from Iron Man 2 and I love CO2 Cashmere.
Hi, my name is Alan Evangelista from The Secret Life of an American Teenager, and I'm trying on CO2 and they look sick.
Hi, my name is Nicole Fox.
This is the coolest purse ever from CO2. I love it, love it.
Hi, it's Shannon. Just want to say how much I love CO2. Check it out. Beautiful, stylish stuff, all cashmere. Gotta love it.
Hey, this is Cedric Sanders. Just want to let you know I love CO2 Cashmere.
I love CO2 Cashmere. I mean, look at this bag. It's beautiful. It's gonna go with everything in the fall. I love the cashmere purses and the sweaters are great too.
Hey, what's up? I'm Rossi Morielli from ABC's Dating in the Dark, and I gotta tell you, when I want to get comfy and look good at the same time, I rock CO2, man. The designs are amazing.
I can't wait for this line to come out. Everybody gotta check it out. I love CO2 sweaters and designs.
Hi there, I'm Darren from London and I love CO2 sweaters because I need them in England. It's not warm.
How cute I look.
Cashmere is fantastic. This is very beautiful. Keep up the amazing work.
Oh, cool.
I like this trend.
Awesome. Soft. It's really cute. I want to see the other ones too though.
It feels so nice. It's like comfy clothes. So if you don't have it, you need to get it. CO2, check it out.